Welcome back everyone, and welcome to another 5-minute Ableton tutorial. In this video we're going to be creating an iconic Minimoog bass line. So here we are in Ableton Live, and we want to go up to Instruments and get an analog. Now I want to take Oscillator 2, drop that down an octave. I'm going to leave them both on the saw wave. We're going to detune Oscillator 1 a little bit. Now we're going to go to the amp envelope and we're going to bring the decay right up, give it a little bit of release, and we're going to set it to legato. And now we're going to change it to mono. Activate the glide and set it to legato. And now we're going to go to that lower oscillator, Oscillator 2, and we're going to add some sub. Okay, let's bring the frequency up. So one of the characteristics of the Minimoog filter is that it has this really quite sharp drop off, and we can emulate that by adding a little bit of resonance. Let's give Oscillator 1 a little bit more detune. Okay, now let's add some audio effects, a little bit of saturation. We just had about 4 dB of saturation. Okay, so that just brings out some of the harmonics and makes it sound more analog. And now we're going to add a bit of compression. And finally, we want to add some EQ. And because we're using this as a bass line, we want to bring that low pass filter down to 30. And that'll just get rid of the mud at the bottom end. So if you found this video useful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more cool tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.